let me introduce myself. My name is Tasya, and now I was on Faculty of Communication at University. University, one of many universities in Jakarta. Faculty of Communication, one of the best faculty in here. Communication identically with delivery of message, and then a lecturer who is here also a very experienced lecturer. And to know related matters concerning communication and profession of lecture, teaching, and faculty of communication, I've been with Mrs. Anna. Good morning, Mrs. Anna.
Good morning, Tasya.
I'm so proud to meet you right now. Hope you feel good today.
Thank you. I hope you so.
And Mrs. Anna, can you tell us a little early you become a lecturer? Because I think a lecture takes off a lot effort, isn't right?
Okay. When I was a child, I met one of a member of family, my auntie, and I heard that she is a professor on one university in Jakarta. I really inspired by her, and I told my mother, someday, Mom, someday I will be great like her. So, when I graduated from senior high school, I took bachelor degree in communication studies and continued to master
Okay.
at the same studies in communication at London School of Public Relations.
Okay.
Before uh, I joined and being a lecturer, first I worked as a PR professional for about 4 years, and in 2014 I applied to one of university in Jakarta. Then I joined being a part of the university's lecturer, and a year ago I joined to this great university as a unggul, and being a part of this great university until now.
Okay. So before you being a lecturer, you being a PR professional, right? Okay. Related to communication, what makes you interesting to be a lecturer of communication?
Okay, communication is a basic human needs. With communication, you can change people's behavior. With communication, you can communicate with others. And communication is also fun to learn. So, I really love to share, really love to learn about communication.
I think so. Communication is so fun to learn. Okay. According to a lecturer like you, what do you think about communication?
Communication is a process sending message from sender to receiver by channel, and you have to make effect, because Laswell said that communication is who says what, in which channel, to whom, and with what effect. So, if you want to make effective communication, you have to know the component of the communication itself.
Okay, but sometimes communication have some noise, delivery message.
Sometimes noise will distract the process of communication, but if you know how to handle it, you can make an effective communication.
Okay. Last but not least, is there an experience that you can forget after you become a lecturer?
Because of being a communication lecturer is my passion, Everything is the most unforgettable moment for me. Meet
Everything.
students, yes, meet students, meet colleagues, and also sharing and updating my communication skill is always make me happy, and that will be an unforgettable moment for me.
Berarti it's mean everything is an unforgettable moment.
When I'm being lecturer.
And the last, what do you want to convey to the young generation in Indonesia?
Okay, I want to say that education is the most important things to you all, because you have shoes on your feet, you have brain on your head, and think genius, and you can change the world.
Okay. Isn't it right? Okay, it's enough. Thank you for your change and your time. Once again, I'm very proud to be able to interview you, Mrs. Erna. And also thank you for your dedication as a lecturer, because I think a lecturer is a noble job. And hopefully communication in Indonesia can be better, isn't it right?
It was my interview with Mrs. Erna Febriani, one of lecturer in Faculty of Communication. I hope you all can get many inspiration and also motivation of Mrs. Erna's experience. Thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.